Every day we practice counting. We have started counting up together as a whole class to 100, but have your child just practice to where they can get to. Some are counting to 20, some are counting to 30. I do have a few kids that are counting to 100, so that's why we just keep working up to there, and it's exposing all the other children to work on their counting. So practice counting every single day. We're also going to do some math activities. We're going to review the numbers that we have talked about. So, of course, we're going to start with the number 1. So, I would hold up our 1 card and we would sing our number song. Numbers are great and numbers are fun. Let's all start with the number 1. Start at the top, make a big line. Your number 1, it looks just fine. A little bit harder to do on a video. For number 2, now what do we do? Make a big curve and a little line too. Your 2 looks great, but don't be late. 3 is next and we just can't wait. Numbers, numbers, not toys or cars or cucumbers. Hey, did you ever wonder how we can count without numbers? To make number 3, all we need are 2 little curves. Just wait and see. A little curve once and a little curve twice. The 3 is done and it looks so nice. Here comes 4, it rhymes with door. Make 2 little lines and a big line more. The 4 is through, now what should we do? 5 comes next, that's just a clue. Oh, numbers, numbers, not toys or cars or cucumbers. Hey, did you ever wonder how we can count without numbers? With number 5, now what do we do? Drop a little line and a little curve too, then jump back up to the top. Add a little line and then you stop. Start number 6 at the top like this. Drop the line down and do the curvy trick. Write it again, just for fun. 6 is a slippery, slidey one. Numbers, numbers, not toys or cars or cucumbers. Hey, did you ever wonder how we can count without numbers? 7 is easy, so easy to do. Little line cross and slide down 2. We're counting higher all the time. Just remember, 7 has 2 lines. Number 8 is so much fun. Start with S and up to the sun. Write it big and write it small. That wasn't very hard at all. Oh, numbers, numbers, not toys or cars or cucumbers. Hey, did you ever wonder how we can count without numbers? We're counting higher to number 9. Write a little curve and one big line. Write it once, write it twice. 99 is mighty nice. Can you write a number 10? You get to use the 1 again. Draw a 0 next to 1. Now your 10 is really done. Rewrite the numbers 1 to 10. What comes next? Write 'em again. Numbers, oh numbers, not toys or cars or cucumbers. Hey, did you ever wonder how we can count without numbers? So ask your child, what number is this? And they would say 1. Have them hold up one finger to help represent the number 1. If you have dice, show them one dot on the dice to help them work on recognizing numbers in a set. We do this for all the numbers, starting off with number 1 right now. Practice writing the number 1. This is really hard. I want to go off. Line down. Line down. Make sure they do it up in the air. Line down. Line down. Now, normally we would write it in our Learning Without Tears book. So this is what the page looks like. They are practicing writing the number 1. They trace it down below. And we also had them practice by themselves. So you can do this in the notebook that you have set out for your child to work on during this time of not being able to come into the school building. Remember, use a yellow or gray highlighter for them to trace. Don't do dot to dots. And working on the number 1.